Celebrate speed at the 2010 Wendover Wings and Wheels Air Show, September 25th at the historic Wendover Airfield. Feel the earth thunder behind the thrust of Air Force F-16 and Navy F-18 demonstration teams. Relive the storied past of Wendover Airfield when vintage aircraft take to the air once again. Bring your children for a hands-on encounter with history. Don't miss the 10th anniversary of Utah's only annual air show, September 25th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Wendover Airfield. Presented by X96 and at your leisure with Chad and Corby Booth. More information at wendoverairbase.com.